Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And let me tell you guys, if this video gets to 2,222 likes, I'll be giving away $250 to somebody in the comment section. All you have to do is make sure you comment something down below, and that is basically it. Alright guys, so let's dive into today's episode. But first, there's still our 50,000 XRP competition going on right now. And I'm telling you guys, you have a couple more days to enter. Be there or be square. I am telling you guys right now, a couple of people might win some big bucks for almost no effort, almost no job, almost no work. All you need is 250 XRP and about $100 worth of volume. You guys can just check it out. A link is down below. The more people we get, the more money that's going to be given away. Be there or be square is what I'm telling you. All right. I'm going to try again to continue on with the timestamps. It's a lot of effort though, guys, but a lot of you guys are saying please go on with it, so I'm going to try. Now, first of all, I want to quickly talk about my trading setup, what I'm doing for XRP, and what my thought process is. I, honestly speaking, think buying it right now wouldn't even be the craziest of an idea, which basically means we are buying XRP, this is the XP chart, right now on the 0.618 Fibonacci. Now, it's already been a couple of hours, so we're already up a little bit from where I actually wanted to make this video from. But we basically got ourselves a, sideways for a couple of days here, from like the 1st of October to about the 8th of October for about a week. We got a huge surge, and we basically retested the 0.786 Fibonacci, came back down. Right now, today and yesterday have been retesting the 0.618. Again, the 0.786 as a resistance, 0.618 as a support. And right now, bouncing from that again. At least my personal expectation is that we either see one more candle towards the downside before we move upwards. At least that sounds logical to me. And so I'm basically going to be buying in right now to basically catch that wave. I already told you guys I bought some XRP at $1.07 yesterday. I told you guys that in the video. I could have bought lower at about $1.6.3 or so, but I bought at $1.07 and have a long position open on my main account. And by the way, if you guys are wondering, I am not showcasing my personal account, and I've actually been talking to a couple of YouTubers here over in Dubai today because everybody's hopping over, everybody's here for the next week or so. And some of them say, man, you should just showcase the people because they like it, and you don't show your face anyway. The thing is, though, guys, I'm not really a fan of showing trades that are, with basically, your own money, and you're not going to show your own wallet, for example, right? Like, why would you do that? Then again, if I'm not going to show my face, I basically can do it pretty easily. If I am going to show it, I would rather not. So I'm in a little bit of a predicament here. If I want to do a phase review one of these days, I'm going to have to keep a little bit quiet. If it's not my plan anyway, then I can definitely just show you guys everything that I'm doing. So it's a little bit of a 50-50. However, my XRP trades are usually, and now again, based upon what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin broke out with confirmation a little while ago. We actually longed Bitcoin right there. Still in the long position, as you guys most likely know. Let's quickly see. Am I logged in here? Let's quickly check it out. So yeah, our Bitcoin long position is still open. Again, guys, the reason that you might think, oh, this one is only $9,000, this one is only $10,000, is because this is a free account, which basically means you open an account, you put some money in, and you get bonuses. So those bonuses you can use to trade, and, well, that can make you a lot of money. And here, that's why we don't have that much money in this account. Just a little fun side note. However, we're still in about 250% profit on our XRP trade and about 180% profit on our Bitcoin trade. And again, these things we all do together. And I'm telling you right now, I don't think an XRP trade right now would be too crazy. And I even don't think that a Bitcoin trade right now would be too crazy because, again, the breakout is still confirmed. Things are still looking well. You could have, I guess, gotten in a little bit better throughout the last couple of days at about not 54,000 or so. But I still don't think even opening a Bitcoin long right now is too crazy. Most people that I'm talking to, they're still in their trades. They're still going to the bitter end because they know it's bullish season. It's bullish season. It is bullish season. I don't have live CoinWatch open right now, but if I had, I would definitely showcase to you guys that what happens usually in these cycles, right, is Bitcoin in a bull cycle. Bitcoin goes up. It takes back a lot of dominance. Basically leading Bitcoin to really be the #1 with critical dominance. Then Bitcoin starts to kind of falter a little bit, but it's not as if Bitcoin's gonna get some crazy down days of like -10, -20. No, but it's usually just Bitcoin goes up a little bit and altcoins go up a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean plus 40%, plus 30% in every single day. It happens very often to altcoins, guys, in altcoin season like that. And the thing is, we have witnessed this so many different times by now that I kind of know this system. I know how it works, and it's happening every single time. But that's when altcoins basically take back the percentage, basically. How do you call it? The dominance. And I think that that's going to happen in about a couple of weeks from now, which is also why I'm encouraging everybody to go trade right now with the competition, because it's so freaking worth it. Right now is a good opportunity to go long on almost any pair, if you ask me. It's not 100% guarantee though, right? But that's what most people I know are doing right now. I think everybody that I know is in a long position right now. So that's that, just so you quickly know and you understand. It's a juicy period right now. Most of us are anticipating a huge bullish season, and you're seeing a couple of contrarians say, no, everything's going to fall, everything's going to fall. Not if you're talking logical sense. I mean, that's not, it doesn't look like these are going to fall. Let's put it like that. Then there was an article written as well. These near-term support levels could be key for an XRP rally. Okay, well, that sounds pretty interesting. XRP was forming its third red candle in a row as the alt continued to pair gains after a run-up to $1.23. Moving forward, the spotlight will be on the zone between the daily 20 SMA and the 200 SMA and the 50% fib level. A rebound from this confluence can instigate a fresh rally for XRP once the broader market turns risk on. At the time of writing, XRP traded at 110, down 5% over the last 24 hours. And we're seeing here the 0.5 Fibonacci. I guess he's just trying to say that we basically had a breakout from there. And then right now we actually, because again, you can see the chart, right? We bounced from this fib level at the 0.382 in this specific sense. And I guess the top here also coincides with what we've written in, right? Maybe this is exactly the same points that we have actually used. I'm not too sure about that. I think so, maybe, because I'm recognizing these levels. But you can see how important they are and how many people and traders use them. However, from an SMA and an EMA or whatever perspective, I don't really like to trade them that way. I really don't hold as much, how do you say it? I don't hold them too dearly, let's say. So I wouldn't really use that too much to trade. Then again, I guess his point might become even clearer that if you have double the amount of confirmation, I guess things are maybe even more clear or even better, maybe. That's for you yourself to decide, man. I don't really trade too much with the SMAs, basically. Unless we're talking about a golden cross, I definitely like those. Generally speaking, though, I like RSI most, if you have to call it an indicator. Yeah, or just support resistances and Fibonacci. Now, JPMorgan CEO doesn't like Bitcoin, but won't stop doing crypto business. This comes back to the article we've covered yesterday and the day before about JPMorgan CEO Jamie Dimon being pretty bearish on Bitcoin. Told you guys before, right? He has no real good interest in Bitcoin succeeding because his bank, the clients, if they want it or not, well, they can make some more money if the clients, get more services of theirs or whatever. But to be honest with you, it doesn't matter what they offer their clients; they're going to make money anyway. And for Jamie Dimon, he's already a billionaire. His net worth is mostly from the banking and the traditional banking set. So you can understand why you can kind of be against it or also just not supportive of it too much or not trusting of it, specifically when your whole life has been banking, 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 banking. So from the same perspective, I don't really hold a grudge against him for being so much against it. And I don't really, I guess I can, yes, I can very much understand as well why, even though you might not like it, if business serves the purpose and you basically need to give it to your clients because they need it and they want it, if you guys get my drift, well, yeah, I wouldn't stop serving it either. Let's say, for example, that all of a sudden 80% of the people in the comment section want news on Shiba Inu, and I don't like the coin. I will still give you guys the news, even though I don't hold it or don't like it. That's, again, a hypothetical, right? Because everybody wants it, and you guys are, I guess, the family, so yeah. Now, talking about Shiba, as Shiba introduces a new supply burn mechanism, the widely circulated prediction for the coin to hit 1 cent may have some substance to it after all. This is really funny. So, a lot of people right now are saying Shiba is going to go to the freaking moon because there's going to be some new burns happening. I don't really know too much about the whole idea, and I don't really want to read into it too much, but I do want to kind of put up a question here. Do you guys hold Shiba / do you want more updates on Shiba? As if you guys say yes, I will definitely look further into it, and I'll actually go read many of these articles. Right now, though, I hold so it's still a lot of money actually, but I don't hold that much Shiba, nor do I really have that much interest in it. I just have money that I put in a really little bit, but it turned into quite a good amount. Yet since I haven't been buying more, haven't been selling, it's like, we'll see, right? And I'm like, if it goes to a cent, I'm definitely happy with it. If it doesn't, I don't really care because I didn't put a lot of money into it. Then again, if you guys want more updates, I'll definitely get that going. All right, then Coinbase NFT waitlist crashes as over 600,000 register for the marketplace. That's more signups than OpenSea's users. Everybody wants to use NFTs over on Coinbase. They basically opened it up. You had to register for it in a waitlist, and it basically crashed as there were like 635,000 in such a short amount of time. So it's set to launch at the end of this year or somewhere throughout the year, but that is freaking crazy. And then last but not least, let's quickly check it out. United States overtakes China to become the leading Bitcoin mining hub. Walter Bloomberg posted, US overtakes China as biggest Bitcoin mining hub after Beijing ban. So yeah, this is actually what a lot of people were afraid for, but it's the way that was logical. Guys, it's not that big a deal. It's not that bad. It's just centrality switching over from mainland China over into the US, which everybody kind of expected to happen as well. However, those talks of, crypto is just so centralized in China, Bitcoin and Ethereum are so centralized in China, they don't hold up because right now it's the US which they're centralized in. But yeah. Guys, that was it for today's video. My food is waiting downstairs. I have to run and grab it a little bit. Otherwise, they're going to hate me for letting them wait for so many hours. He's already been there for a little bit, so got to run. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Guys, as I said before, I'm still in my trades and I'm sticking with it to the bitter end. You guys already know how it works, right? Thank you all for watching. See you guys again in another crypto video later today.